myself Pankhuri. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing BE from Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology, Sangrur, Punjab. Now, I joined Aptron in the month of June for the course Mondstack. My faculty name is. Talking about Sir, he is one of the great personality I have met in Aptron. His practical knowledge is quite excellent and he's always friendly with us. Like in the sense, you can consult him for your doubts at any time. Talking about Aptron, here the environment is quite calm and peaceful, where one can concentrate on their studies. And one of the most great thing of the Aptron is after completing your class hour, you can stay here for a long time and practice all your practical works and consult your faculty, as faculty is available at any hour and you can consult them. They'll solve all your doubts. Thank you.